Year 8 Maths. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about rounding. Rounding decimals. Sometimes we need to round to a different number of decimal places. To do this, find the number of decimal places you are being asked to round to, then look at the next decimal. If this is 5 or the decimal is rounded up. If it is 4 or less, the number is left unchanged. For example, round to 4 decimal places 234.6667901. Step 1. Look at the number that is 5 places past the decimal point. 234.6667901. As the number is bigger than 5, the 7 is rounded up to the next number. If the decimal is a 9, this changes more than one number. For example, when rounding 3.299 to 2 decimal places, the number in the third decimal place is a 9. This rounds the next number. As this is also a 9, it will round to a 10 and will change the next number with it. This becomes 3.30. A significant figure is the first number that is not a 0. After that first number, any following zeros are significant. For instance, in 0.000001, the 1 is the first significant figure. However, 210, the 0 is significant as it follows a number that is not 0. If asked to round to the nearest significant figure, the first task is to find the number of significant figures. Round 2,309,812 to 3 significant figures is the first number is a 2. We count from there. Fill in the first 3 numbers 230, then fill in the remaining spaces with zeros. 2,300,000. If there is a decimal that extends beyond the last significant figure, you do not have to fill in the spaces with zeros. For example, 2.345863. Round to 3 significant figures. First, find 4 figures. As the first number is not a 0, we can start with the 2. 2.345 as the fourth number is a 5, we round the previous number up. 2.35.